Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video we'll be making potato rice. Yeah, potato rice. This is my own making, my own discovery, so I decided to share it with you guys. And this recipe is amazing. So we'll be making some really nice potato rice. This is Irish potato, cooked Irish potato. Is really soft and nice, really soft that even rubber spoon can go through it, as you can see. So these are the ingredients we'll need to prepare the potato rice. This is baking flour, this is whipped egg and some stock cubes and ginger powder, nutmeg and garlic powder, and this is Cameroon pepper, and this is salt. So what we'll do now is to add all these ingredients to the flour so that we can start preparing the rice, the potato rice. So we'll add salt to the flour, we'll add in some Cameroon pepper, adding some garlic powder, adding some nutmeg, ginger powder, and lastly we'll add in our nut cube, one will do. We don't need to be really spicy. Okay, and we'll also add just about half or so of nut to the egg. To make it a bit tasty. So we'll mix it in. And we'll set this aside. So now the next thing we'll do is to mix our flour with all the spices in it. So now our flour is completely mixed and all our ingredients is well combined. So what we'll do now, we'll cover the potato with the egg, just make sure that the egg touches every inch of the Irish potato. And now we're going to add the flour. Okay. potato is completely covered in the flour and egg. So now the next thing we'll do is to go ahead and fry. Oh, that one is broken, but it doesn't matter. So here's my oil on medium heat. So just go ahead and add our potato rice in it. Before you do that, you reduce the heat to very low, and then you add the potato in the oil. Golden brown, and our potato rice is ready. So our potato rice is ready. I told you when it gets golden brown, that is ready. This could be served with tea or whatever you feel like. It is very nice, and it's going to serve as a really nice lunch for your kid at school. So let's just dive in and know what it tastes like. Wow. Look at that. Feel free to join me. This is super delicious. Wow. I love the fact that it's a bit crunchy and peppery. So there you have it, guys. This is all there is to this video. If you enjoyed it, hit the like button, share this video with your friends, your loved ones, your family, give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my upcoming episodes, because I upload very interesting, delicious tips like this one on this channel on a daily basis. And I'll see you all very soon. Bye.